Hi all, happy day. This is Amala Jennifer, founder of Kids Buy, online store for kids books and toys. Today I am going to review one of our favorite books from the collection. Is the Naisha books. These are picture story books. Initially they had 12 titles and now they have 12 more added, so you have a total of 24 titles. You have these in English as well as Hindi. The 24 books where Naisha visits these different places, like you can see airport, station, fair, circus. So she visits these different places with her mom, dad, friends, family. So you can travel along with Naisha and learn different words and concepts. Something very special about these books is its unique format. So left hand side you have couple of sentences with bright, beautiful, colorful picture illustration of that particular scene, and in the right side you have the page divided into 4 sections with 4 keywords. Actually these 4 keywords are words these images where you can find it in the big image. Reinforcement of visual input which leaves a lasting memory in your child's mind. So how you can do this? You can read the sentences and you can also show the images, read the keywords. Basically these are nouns, and you can ask your kid to find out where that particular image is here, like starfish. Can you find out where starfish is in this image? Another way to do is you can read the 4 words. You can also close the book and ask them to say the 4 words, remembering those 4 words in order or in any order, maybe for beginners. These are really good books for early readers as well as for read aloud books, and very good in vocabulary building. Last page, if you see, each book has 28 words, sight words, so you can repeat these words 1 week or a couple of weeks till your kid, when you show the word, they should be able to tell what word it is. These books give you opportunity for a lot of conversation with your kid. Like after reading the book, you can ask them like questions regarding place, where did she go, what are the characters in this story, and the different things and objects. So basically all the questions like what, where, when, who, how, why, the cause and effect, all that you can ask. It helps you to initiate communication, so it's a very good book for initiating conversations. And as the book says, it's a unique repeat remember technique, easy sight reading method, and with bright picture and word association, huge vocabulary enhancement. It's in picture reading and also includes content for general knowledge. So these books touches a child's life with things that are everyday and familiar, and teaches new words and concepts. I recommend these books for kids between ages 2 to 5. So I bought these 24 titles for my kid around 6 to 7 months before, when he was around 3.5 years. So I've seen some parents doing rigorous reading, reading the same book 5 to 6 times a day, so that the kids start to read earlier. So we don't do such rigorous reading. I keep these books in his book rack. He actually, out of his interest, brings me different titles every day, and he wants me to read. So I just whichever book he brings to me, I read it out to him. And more thing also for beginners, first you can introduce that every book will have a title and the cover page. So how to read, how to go about reading. Always you should read from left to right and from top to bottom. So all that you can do. Depending on your kids' interest, you can go about how many books you read in a day, how many times you read the same book, all that you can choose. Hope this review was useful. These 24 titles in English as well as in Hindi, it is available in our website. Paperbacks and with 16 pages, and thickness is really it's good, not like normal thin paperbacks. It's got a quite good thickness. If interested, you can buy these books at our website www.kidsbuy.com, and the shopping link also I've shared it in the description below. You can check out. Viha is also at the beach. She is making a sand castle using a bucket, spade, and a shovel. What is this?
Sandcastle.
Where is sandcastle? Here, correct. What is this? Spade. Where is the spade? Where is the spade here? Spade, correct. Bucket. Yes, where is the red bucket? Okay, next. Where is the shovel? Right. Next, Naisha sees a starfish and jellyfish. There are seashells and a crab too. What is this? Starfish. Where is the starfish? Correct. Next. What is that? Jellyfish. Where is the jellyfish? Correct. Next. Seashells. Where are the seashells? Yes, white and orange shells. Next, what is this? Crab. Where is the crab? Correct. Naisha. Swimsuit. Straw hat. Sunglasses. Waves. Boat. Sand. Anchor. Sandcastle. Spade. Bucket. Shovel. Starfish. Jellyfish. Seashells. Crab. Chair. Umbrella. Coconut water. Sandwich. Rock. Lighthouse. Ship. Dolphin. Fisherman. Net. Fish. Correct. Fish bowl. Good. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos, and please do subscribe to our channel for more such interesting and informative content.